Sending a letter home, come into students, find letters. Now, what I'm thinking is you'll find this letter under teacher, or if not, under common. For me, I wrote the letter, so it's under mine, and the letter that I want you to send home is called Math Tutorials 2018. This is the email, and so you can compose the letter, and that means edit it, change it to how you would say it. Definitely change who it's from. When you're happy with it, come into print. You have to add in your class list. So to do that, you need to go to Find and Add, and under Class, option Subject, find your name in this list, and then choose the classes. For example, my stats class, it comes up here, I've already found it and added it, so I won't click find again, but you click find and it will bring up your class in this list, and these are where it's going to get emailed to. And then once you're happy with who you're going to email it to, click email letters, check the title, Mathematics Tutorials 2018. I always like to put Santa Maria College in the title because it's going into the emails. Sometimes I click both, sometimes I don't. Maybe I'll do it both. And you need to add an attachment. The attachment is called 2018 revision tutorial, so that tells them about it. And just as a final, before you click send and it sends it to everyone, as a final check, click send test, and in your emails in about 20 seconds time you'll get an email, and you can just check it to make sure the attachment is attached and you're happy with how it all works, and that's it. Easy as.